Okay, so in this tutorial, you will be learning how to work with buttons. So buttons are part of a widget blueprint, which is basically a place where you can put UI and stuff. So if you go to user interface and a widget blueprint, there's a widget blueprint that comes up, and like, I'm just gonna name it button demo. And if you open it up, this is like a canvas with just nothing in it, and here under the comments section, if you drag in a button, there's a button. Okay, and if I just drag in a button and scale it up like this, roughly in the center, and you see this dot, this white flower thing on the corner. If I put this anchor thing, and I can select where this is. Okay, like I can select it in the center or any other thing. Okay, but what this does is this. So but the first thing before I explain what that does is first, if we play it, we see our user interface is not here. Why? So because we're not creating it, and it's not in the game mode too. So if we go to open level blueprint, and the level blueprint is basically, you probably know what it is, but those who don't, you can quickly reference objects, and it's mostly for prototyping, but some things you have to do there. On begin play, okay, when we start the game, I want to create a widget, right? And want it to be the widget you just created. Okay, but still, if we play, it's not shown. So we need to add this to our viewport, right? So add to viewport, and now that it comes, if we click, our mouse disappears and we can't click on the button. So do a get player controller, and then do set show mouse cursor. Okay, and we want to show a mouse cursor, so we're gonna tick this checkbox. If it's we want it to be hidden, we untick it. So now if we click, our mouse doesn't go. Okay, still move around. And so the problem for this is see, this, if we bring it up like this, it will disappear. Okay, it's like, it's relative to this corner, its position. So we weren't moving this. If we are moving this will stay in the center. but we want to anchor to the bottom right. Usually it's where it's closest to. Like this was closest to here. If this was closest to the here, we would anchor it here and all that stuff. Okay, so now that that's done, we can rename our button by pressing F2, and while it's selected, let's call this button. Button 1 is fine. Now if we drag in a text block and put it here in the middle, we can put it here, and if we go into the appearance, font, and then size, we can make it bigger. Can like increase the font size, and over here in the content we can select this. I'm just gonna leave it as text block, but you can put it to whatever you want. Okay, so now if we play, this text is gonna be there. So yeah, see, it will be following the corner, even if we make it that small. Okay, so now what we're doing is, how do we make it when we click this button something happens? Okay, we go down, we select this button, and go to the bottom and do on clicked. Okay, and with this on clicked thing, we can just do anything we want. We can like print string hello. Now if I press hello, but there are some built-in functions for buttons like quit game. If you press that, you would quit the game. And if you wanted for like it to open up a level, like I'm just gonna create a level like for a play. I'm gonna name this demo map. Here we could do open level by name. In 4.26 it has these by name things, but in open level, but in like earlier versions it doesn't say by name. And if we put in demo level, this text box is case sensitive. Now if we open up to that this to our old level, the minimal default and content store content maps. So now if we press this, oh sorry, I put in demo level, not demo map. Okay, so yes, we're here. Notice here we can't see our mouse anymore because we didn't set that in our level blueprint. So yeah, that's it for buttons.